Hey there! So this is going to be my next video in my optimization series, is what I'm calling it. So there's going to be a whole boatload of videos that should help you, the nonprofit marketer, be able to more easily optimize your Google Ad Grants account. I know I've had heaps of people request that I do specific videos on optimization, so I've compiled a massive list of everything that I do in accounts, and I'm going to do just a handful of videos to really show you how to put this into play in your account for yourself. So first up, we are going to be talking about setting up your columns. So this is going to be the very first optimization here. And basically what we want to do is go ahead and set up a set of custom columns that we will utilize in order to judge success and performance of our account. Okay, so in your Google Ad Grants account, you'll want to just come into the campaign level. So make sure that you are in all campaigns, campaign. And then what we'll want to do is hit on columns, modify columns. Okay, so there are a handful of different columns that you can set, and really every marketer, search marketer, is different to what they like to set. However, in my opinion, and the ones that I generally like to set are as follows. So we have optimization score, bid strategy type, cost, which is how much your ads have spent, impressions, which are the eyeballs that have seen your ads, clicks, which are people that actually click on your ads, click-through rate, which is the impressions or the people that see your ads divided by those that have actually clicked, average cost per click or average CPC, which is the cost for each of those clicks. So to get that, you'll just take your total cost divided by the number of clicks, conversions, which should hopefully be people taking action on your website, cost per conversion, so that's the total cost divided by the conversions or the people that have taken action, conversion rate, which is going to be the conversions or people that took action on your site divided by the clicks. Okay, and that's going to be in a percentage. Conversion value, now hopefully you've set up values in your Google grant for the specific conversions, or if you've hopefully set up your donation value, then this will give you any value that's associated with each of the conversions. Conversion value divided by cost, so that's just going to give you more of your return on ad spend. All conversions, now this includes all conversions in your account, so not necessarily those that are just primary. I like to include this so I can see my secondary conversions as well. I also like my all conversion value so that I can see that total value of all the conversions in my account. And then lastly, I like to go with search impression share for my grant. So what you'll do is you can manually type each of these in if you'd like in the search bar there, or you can just go through each of the columns yourself, however you prefer. And all you do is you'll go ahead and click on one, and then it will add it in here for you, and you can move it around if you like. Of course, I'll just X that out as label. Okay, so now before you do anything, after you've put these beautiful columns together, you want to go save your column set. And now just go ahead and save this or rename this as something that you'll remember. So you can put this as optimisations, whatever you'd like. Hit save and apply. I already have this here, so I'll go ahead and replace it. And now at any time in your column section, you want to make sure that you're always utilizing this custom column set that we've just put together. This is really going to give you the best view of what you want to look at in your account from a search marketing perspective. So highly recommend setting your columns. Now you only really have to do this once in your lifetime, really. I have it as a monthly task, but once you set this, you don't have to do it ever again. This column set will always be available for you to utilize. So this was the very first optimization, which is setting up your columns for success. Now, if you're interested in my full optimizations document that's going to include over 30 optimizations in your Google Grants account, I'm going to leave a link right below so that you can grab that document, which will give you all of the information that you need in order to complete all of these optimizations and to make sure that your Google grant is set up for success. All right, I'll see you in the next video.